our religion, from celebrating our cultural festival. They raze our mosques, they harvest our organs, they take our children, they detain our men, our academics, they detain our elders, they leave us no future. Chinese citizens, I beg you, do not be complacent in this slow-moving genocide. Australian citizens, I beg you, appeal to your local MPs and their sense of humanity and morality. This is the 21st century. Large-scale killings are not acceptable. Do I need to say that? We're not asking for much. The Chinese government calls us terrorists. We are not terrorists. We are students, we are mothers, we are fathers, we are construction workers, academics, restaurant owners, artists. We are not terrorists. China is a terrorist. Stop killing my people. Freedom for East Turkistan. Stop the killing. Stop the hate. Chinese citizens, you need to recognize that if they are capable of perpetrating these kinds of crimes against humanity, against my people, they will also do it to your people. It does not stop here. This kind of policy is incredibly dangerous. I beg you to recognize that. We Uyghurs need allies, and you are capable of helping us. We are not asking for much. Where are our human rights? Look at us. We are not standing here to threaten you. We are standing here in a desperate appeal to any shred of humanity that might be left within you. Because we are all humans, and all humans deserve peace and security. All humans deserve a chance to be reunited with their family. Every single person standing here is a bearer of immense cultural trauma that most people cannot even fathom. Every person standing here has lost someone. Every person standing here knows somebody whose human rights are completely surrendered within detention centers, concentration camps, and torture rooms. Every single person, think about that. Every Uyghur standing in front of you right now has a story that is more heartbreaking than anything you could ever fathom. And why do you make this happen to us? We want freedom. We want human rights. Freedom for East Turkistan. Stop the killing. Stop the hate.